Planning to visit The Hague, Netherlands? Wondering what are the top 5 must-visit sites? Welcome to The Hague, the royal city by the sea with its rich history and home to the Dutch monarchy. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey as we count down the top 5 must-visit sites in The Hague. Let's kick off the countdown with number 5, Madurodam. Imagine seeing the whole Netherlands in one glance. Madurodam, a unique miniature city. It's an ideal, fun-filled destination that encapsulates Dutch culture and history. Coming in at number 4 is the Mauritshuis Museum. This treasure trove is home to a spectacular collection of Dutch Golden Age paintings, including iconic masterpieces such as Vermeer's Girl with a Pearl Earring. For art lovers, the Mauritshuis Museum is a must-see. At number 3, we have the Scheveningen Beach. This vibrant stretch of sand is a hotspot for locals and tourists alike, boasting attractions like the iconic pier and bustling promenade. Whether you're seeking tranquility or thrilling activities, Scheveningen Beach is perfect for both relaxation and fun-filled activities. Our number 2 spot goes to the historic Binnenhof. This remarkable site, steeped in history, serves as the epicenter of Dutch politics. Its stunning Gothic architecture is a feast for the eyes, capturing the essence of Dutch heritage. The Binnenhof's significance and beauty make it a must-visit. And finally, the top spot on our list, the iconic Peace Palace. This grand structure is more than just a pretty face. It's the beating heart of international law. As the home of the International Court of Justice, it's where some of the world's most critical legal decisions are made. But it's more than a courthouse. It's a beacon of peace, a symbol of justice, and a testament to our shared global values. No visit to The Hague would be complete without a visit to the Peace Palace, a symbol of global peace and justice. And there you have it. The top 5 must-visit sites in The Hague. From the miniature city of Madurodam to the historic Binnenhof, the art-filled Mauritshuis Museum, the vibrant Scheveningen Beach, and the iconic Peace Palace. So, when are you planning your visit to these amazing sites in The Hague? We hope to see you soon. Happy traveling.